Dear family and friends, today we celebrate the love shared by John and Bear throughout the past, today, and the years to come. It is a solemn vow of their marriage, a fruit of their love. Marriage is not to be entered lightly without sincerity, honesty, mutual respect, and commitment. Nevertheless, this is a true cause of joy when a man and woman join in love, optimism, and towards the realizations of a full life. John and Bear, you have been complementary to each other's life for some time. This service today marks an even more important step for you, with the hope that your relationship will prosper to no end and that your love will persist and prevail with the passage of time. Marriage is not an end to problems, nor is it without troubles. It is a well-considered decision to face problems as each one arises, to solve them and to surpass them with hand in hand. This marriage is a commitment not to do wrong to each other, and more importantly, to forgive the wrongs that are done. It is about understanding, mutual confidence, sharing and forgiving. It is about loyalty throughout good and bad. It's about love. Love hopes for the future and does not brood over the past. It is the day in and day out chronicle of irritations, problems, compromises and small disappointments, big victories, and working hard toward common goals. If you have love in your life, it can make up for many other things you lack. If you do not have it, no matter what else there is, it's not enough. So search for love, ask your life for it, and share it. And now the vows. Family and friends, we gather here to witness this exchange of vows. If you commit yourself to do all in your power to support this marriage now and in the years ahead, then would you please now responding by saying, "We do." We do. John, would you take your bride's hand and say after me? Cindy, I love you. You are my best friend. Today I give myself to you in marriage. I will cherish our union and I will love you more each day than I did the day before. I promise to encourage you and inspire you. I promise to laugh with you. And I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow or distress. I promise to love you faithfully when life seems easy and when it seems hard. To face the hardship with you. I'll give you my hand, my heart and my love from this day forward and all the days of our life. Good there.